I'm gonna move a little bit. I need some space.
Okay, move. Bastion! And then he stops for the car. Bastion, get the bottle. Where's the bottle?
I'll fix it. It's like, I don't know what it is, Mom.
He's like, brother, I'm waiting. Oh, boink, and he falls. He gets overexcited and he falls.
My little water bag.
Bastion! Go, go. Sebastian! Hey. No. Hey, no. Go. Look what brother got. It's funny. Get it. Go, 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 go. Get it, Bastion, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, boing. Sebastian, get it. He's getting too excited, Andy.
You don't need to hold it.
Whoa! Say uh-oh.
Beauty, run. No.
Walk. Walk, baby. Our big one.
Because she can get impregnated.
She won't get impregnated. It's hard for dogs to get impregnated. Boo-boo.
He's like, I don't want the dogs. They're too fast.
Anthony, are you having fun with your brother?
Yeah, but here's the one.
Isn't it cute?
Oh,
Boing.
oh, soft landing.
Uh-oh, Bastion, what do you got on?